Welcome to the cutting-edge banana stem processing facility, where sustainability meets technology. Banana saplings are carefully planted to replenish supply for future processing.
Banana saplings are carefully planted to replenish the supply for future production.
Sustainable farming practices ensure a continuous supply of banana stems.
Banana trees are cultivated sustainably to ensure the long-term availability of banana stems. Banana trees are carefully harvested to ensure minimal environmental impact. During harvest, banana trees are carefully harvested to maximize yield. Sustainably grown banana trees are the foundation of our eco-friendly products. Fresh banana stems are delivered daily, ready for processing by advanced machinery. Banana stems are handled with care and precision by skilled workers.
Each banana stem is carefully inspected to ensure top quality output.
Quality testing ensures that each product meets international standards. The stems are washed thoroughly using high-tech equipment to remove impurities. Water jets ensure the stems are perfectly clean before further processing. The banana stems are sorted by size to ensure uniform processing. Once sorted, the stems are sent to high-tech cutting machines for precision slicing. The cutting process ensures uniform sections for efficient fiber extraction.
The cut stems are processed into fine fibers, ready for various applications.
The juice from banana stems is extracted and used in various health products. Any remaining waste is recycled into compost, ensuring nothing goes to waste. Any leftover materials are composted, reducing waste and benefiting the environment. Advanced systems separate the fibers for use in textiles and other products. Once processed, the fibers are carefully stored for packaging and shipment. The fibers are dried using precision control systems to retain quality. Temperature is carefully controlled to preserve the fiber's integrity. Once dried, the fibers are ready for packaging and use in manufacturing. Banana stems are turned into eco-friendly paper products.
Banana fibers undergo rigorous quality checks to ensure consistency and durability.
The processed fibers are bundled and sealed for transport. The bundles are securely sealed for easy distribution. Packaged fibers are stored in a clean, temperature-controlled environment. Finished products are organized and prepared for shipment worldwide.
Banana stem products are shipped globally, reaching customers around the world.
Robotic arms ensure efficient handling and transport.
Each pallet is wrapped securely to protect the contents during transit.
Banana fibers are shipped to manufacturers to create eco-friendly textiles. Banana fibers are woven into sustainable fabrics used in fashion and home goods. Banana fibers are transformed into textiles used for making clothing and other materials.
Banana fibers are also used to create biodegradable packaging materials.
Banana fibers are blended with other materials to create strong, sustainable composites.
Banana stem pulp is used in health-conscious food products.
Banana fibers are incorporated into sustainable building materials.
Banana fibers are increasingly used in eco-friendly packaging solutions.
Fashion made from banana fibers is stylish, durable, and sustainable.
Banana fibers are now being used in green construction projects.
This high-tech factory runs on renewable energy sources, reducing environmental impact.
Digital systems track every step of the banana stem processing journey. Solar panels on the roof help power the factory sustainably.
Banana stem products are shipped to clients all over the world.
Banana fibers are increasingly used for eco-friendly packaging materials.
Banana fiber-based clothing is a growing trend in sustainable fashion.
Banana stem-based products offer a sustainable solution to everyday needs.
Environmentally friendly initiatives make this factory a model of sustainability.
Banana fibers are strong and durable, ideal for sustainable construction.
Eco-friendly materials are used throughout the factory, from products to uniforms.
Every stage of production is tracked using cutting-edge automated systems.
Banana fiber products are now available in stores and online. Banana stem pulp is processed into nutritious food products, including supplements.
Banana fibers are mixed with other natural materials to create biodegradable plastics.
Banana fibers are converted into eco-friendly paper products.
Banana fibers are also woven into sustainable bags and accessories.
Banana fibers are increasingly being used in packaging materials, reducing plastic waste.
Banana stems are now being turned into eco-friendly biodegradable straws.
Banana fibers are used to create strong and durable materials for construction projects.
Banana fiber-based plastics are fully biodegradable and environmentally friendly.
Banana fibers are incorporated into green building materials for sustainable construction.
Digital systems control energy usage, optimizing efficiency and sustainability. Renewable energy sources, like wind and solar, power the factory sustainably.
Banana stem products are distributed to various international markets.
Thanks for joining us on this banana stem journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more factory tours.